Hey guys, welcome to Behind the Recipe. So we're on our deck and we made grilled chicken wings with ponzu and rice wine vinegar and fish sauce in our Gilbert sprayer. And we grilled fingerling potatoes. Oh my God, and grilled scallions and put sesame seeds on them. So we're gonna taste, okay?
Yes.
Let's do it. Okay, let's taste a potato first before we get our hands all dirty,
All right.
okay?
This one's mine.
This one's mine. Cheers.
The mustard sauce is killer.
So good. So we put a Dijon horseradish with a little bit of ponzu and olive oil in a bowl with a tiny bit of salt, mixed it around, and then added the grilled smoky potatoes, the fingerling potatoes, and the grilled scallions.
Fabulous.
So good.
Amazing. These are amazing. These are wonderful. I don't even need the chicken. I got this.
You know what's so good about them? They're like creamy inside, right? They get like almost steamed on the grill. So they get color, they get flavor, and they get creamy.
Mm-hmm.
It's like a mashed potato in a jacket.
It's fabulous. It's so good.
Okay,
Really good.
let's try a wing.
Okay. So we just
Oh my God,
this
that's
is finger
so good.
food.
This is finger food.
Okay.
Okay, so I got a wing. I got a little drumette.
Here we go.
It's doing that same thing again.
Delicious.
So good. Let me see. It's not too salty, right?
Not too salty. And really tender and really juicy.
Really juicy, really good flavor.
Really good flavor, but it's not too much of anything. It's just kind of,
Subtle.
yeah.
Mm-hmm.
It's like a gourmet chicken wing. Yeah. Oh man.
Sorry.
Oh man.
You know what? Those chicken wings are amazing,
I become illiterate when I eat your food.
but this potato. Oh my God.
Oh boy.
Okay, guys. Well, you know the drill. We're here for you. We love that you're watching. We love that you're having fun. We're having a great time. Happy summer. Happy 4th of July we just had. And keep cooking with us. We'll see you soon. Okay?
See you soon.
Bye.